Hi guys, and today I've got something really truly exciting for you. So you know that we have been looking at a lot of the trading products from MingTrader, so Friday Pro, Extreme Reversion Trader, and building their set files. And as a result of the collaboration, they have allowed us to offer the Friday Pro trading robot to all of our premium Patreon members. So if you have been following for the last couple of years, you know that we installed the Friday Pro trading robot in August 2023. So this is my live tracker. You can track this and come to this website yourself, and it's made over 750%. You can see it's been going up and up and up, and we use the author's two initial signals for pound yen and dollar yen, and then we added our third Singapore dollar yen. So this is something which, when we did this, I provided this one for our Patreon members. This wasn't available on the author's one, but as part of the collaboration, I'll be sharing all of my set files, a lot of my results with MingTrader, and they will be able to offer us some deals as well for our premium Patreon members. So you can see here that the original made 2,688 pips with this amount of profit, and we did start off with just a $200 account. So it's already made 100% on that one. Singapore yen is our own set, and you can see that's really blown everything out the water. Almost 12,000 pips, taking the lion's share of the profit, 847. And then we had the other author's set file as well, which has made 5,700 pips and 454. And you can see here we started off with $200, and it's gone all the way up, and you see we're still riding on some. So if I took the open trades now, it's over 800%, and you can track and see the performance over the years. So yeah, it's done really well, and I'm so happy to be able to offer this to you, all our Patreon members, including all their set files. Hopefully, I hope this means that we can do some better deals on some of the other products as well, including the Extreme Reversion Trader, which I know that we have been using, and a lot of you guys have been using and follow with much interest, because I've got 3 set files here that are working pretty well on the indices, and I've got 2 gold as well. I'll be sharing that with MingTrader in exchange for concessions for our users with some of these products. It's the start of many, I hope, and I'm hoping to also to reach out to other. And you can see they've got their own Friday Pro tracker here as well, which has reached all-time highs, 800%. So this is their one, which I believe is just the pound yen. Yeah, pound yen, dollar yen. They had one knock trade, which looked like they're taken out, but yeah, the most of this is these 2, and we've got the Singapore yen. But yeah, as part of the deal is I need to run some optimizations that could potentially work and provide them to MingTrader. So yeah, I just want to do a quick video. I'll provide all the links, so if you're a premium Patreon member, you can download this and start running it. And yeah, we've been running this for 2 years. You can check all the links. It is genuine, and it is a very easy to use product. Let me show you my terminal. Okay, so here is the terminal that I've been running since the 18th of August 2023. You can see the initial 200 that we put in, and these are all the trades running across the 3 sets. So I've got pound yen, dollar yen, and Singapore yen. And these are the profit and loss. You see, well, what I like about this is not Greater Martin. Go see every trade has a stop loss and a take profit. You see when they hit either the stop or they hit the take profit. So the green, take profit. If it's red, it's hit the stop. You know, nothing is always perfect with trading, right? I mean, there's a good sort of big everything lost here, but you can see if you scroll all the way to the bottom, net result is that we are up 1,412. You know, it says that because the rest of it's commissions, swap rates, all that kind of stuff, which gets taken out. Yeah, and this matches exactly with this profile. So if you see here, you can probably scroll to the beginning where we had the 200. These are the trades, and yeah, track it all the way through. You can see what we've made. 1,511 from the initial $200. Yeah, so yeah, guys, I'm going to send all the links in the video description box below. If you're a Patreon member, you can download this, stick it on your system, and start using it. It's been great. It's been running since 2023, and with fantastic results. And obviously, my risk level may not be as high as yours because there is a 30% drawdown at some stage. But yeah, you go lower, go whatever you want, whatever is your risk profile. Obviously, that kind of number is massive because I'm trading quite a relatively large size for the account, and considering it was $200, you obviously see the balance like this, and you see the profit been going like this, and you can see the profit and losses as well. These are the yellow bars, the profit and losses, drawdown. This is when we had the drawdowns. Yeah, so check it out, and I'll let you know when we get some next collaborations with MingTrader and how we can get some better deals for our premium Patreon members. Yeah, speak soon.